Who is the manager here?
他是这里的员工。
He is an employee here. He is an employee here. He is an employee here.
我的同事马上过来接待您。
My colleague will be right with you. My colleague will be right with you. My colleague will be right with you.
我的秘书现在就可以帮你。
My secretary can help you now. My secretary can help you now. My secretary can help you now.
你和你的老板相处得好吗？
Do you get along with your boss? Do you get along with your boss? Do you get along with your boss?
我和大家相处的都很好。
I get along well with everyone. I get along well with everyone. I get along well with everyone.
你把合约签了吗？
Did you sign the contract? Did you sign the contract? Did you sign the contract?
我们还没有达成协议。
We did not reach a deal yet. We did not reach a deal yet. We did not reach a deal yet.
这里有人罢工。
There is a strike. There is a strike. There is a strike.